How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Size collaboration with Nike on the Air Max 1 WE in the Dawn colorway. These Air Max 1s released alongside an Air Max 180 representing a Dusk Till Dawn pack. This one, representing Dawn or Sunrise, has those lighter shades, and then the Air Max 180 representing Dusk or Sunset has more of those darker tones associated with the sun going down. So as mentioned right in the beginning, this is a collaboration between Nike and UK retailer Size. And before we go any further, I just want to give a huge thank you to Size for actually sending me over this pair. So they reached out to me about a month or two ago, and they asked for my size and my mailing address, and I had no idea what to expect. And then finally last week I opened these up, and the rest is history. So these officially dropped on October 5th for 110 British pounds. So far there hasn't been a North American release that I know of, and I'd predict that there won't be one going forward. The official colorway for this shoe is Desert Sand, Royal Blue, Cobalt Tint, and Sail. So jumping straight into the shoe, the base layer of the shoe, as you take a look at the toe box, this is constructed using a very open hold mesh. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box, here we have this Desert Sand colored suede. Found on the lateral side of the toe box, here we have this yellow mini swoosh embroidered right into the side. Giving some added contrast between all these light shades, right here at the base of the toe box, we have this very soft black leather. As we move on to the quarter panel of the shoe, once again this is also constructed out of that Desert Sand colored suede, and then overlaid on top of it, here we have this blue colored swoosh. Where the top two eyelets are, right at the very top, this is surrounded by a patch of very hairy suede. Wrapping around the back of the shoe, once again we have more of that very soft black leather, and then stamped right in the middle we have this Nike Air branding. Stitched onto the lateral side, we have the words Air Max 1, this is embroidered in yellow. Surrounding this top ankle collar area, here we have this lighter shade of blue, and this is constructed out of what looks like a circle knit mesh. The tongue on these Air Max 1s is colored in this very vibrant royal blue. And at the very top, we have this nylon tag, which has this Nike Air Max branding in gray and black. Overlaid on top of the tongue, we have your laces. So these are a sail colored lace, which is like an off-white color, and it has this accent of dotted black lines running throughout. These also come with a secondary pair of laces in yellow. One thing that I noticed, and I want to point out to you guys specifically, is the shape of these Air Max 1s is absolutely top notch. So we've seen in the past where Air Max 1s have suffered from a cliff toe, which is where that toe sort of has like a blocky and squared off finish. But in this case, as you can see, this toe box really tapers off very nicely. So definitely a good job by Nike in this case. The inside collar of the shoe is lined in this light blue finish, and then taking a look at the insoles, so these come with a very vibrant yellow colored insole with this Nike Air branding on the heel in black. So the upper of these Air Max 1s sits atop this full-length foam midsole that's colored in Sail. Underneath the heel, we have this cutaway that exposes the air unit encapsulated within the midsole, and in this case, the air unit itself is colored in that same pastel or light blue finish that was found around this ankle collar area and also on the inner liner. Turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Air Max 1 outsole. This is primarily constructed out of Desert Sand colored rubber, but we do have a splash of blue found around the edge of the bottom heel. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I typically get size 10.5 in most of my Nike Air Max 1s. For these shoes, however, Size sent me these in a size 10, and I gotta say they actually fit me pretty well. If you guys have worn Nike Air Max 1s before and you've sort of tried different models in different versions, I'd say that these fit a little bit closer to the white and blue Air Max 1 anniversaries, which many people felt ran a little bit bigger than the normal Air Max 1s that Nike usually produces. So for these guys, the size 10 felt great on feet. Worst case scenario, I'd recommend just sticking true to size. From a comfort standpoint, so there's nothing crazy here, nothing really was rewritten, so these are gonna feel exactly the same as most of your other Nike Air Max 1s. So with all that being said, now let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. feel like Size and Nike did an excellent job with this collab. The color blocking, the construction, the materials, everything put into the shoe, in my opinion at least, ended up working, and I'm super stoked to add this one to the collection. I feel like the color choices really works well together, and from a wearability standpoint, this shoe is going to be very, very versatile. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Size Air Max 1s in the Dawn colorway. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and be sure to visit my website at seango.ca. So before I sign off, another huge thank you goes out to the good people at Size for showing love, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.